hoes. Bro say, fuck you, man. Hell no, I said this my darn. Ain't ate shit all day. The fuck you niggas looking at, nigga? You know what it is, nigga. Nigga, black feather tip gang out here, man. Eat till I'm full, nigga. Gobble gobble. Yeah, nigga, I dare one of you niggas try to get some of them. Yeah, nigga, take off, nigga. Dare one of you niggas get some of that bread out of here, man. This nigga ain't sharing. Okay. I'm just over here eating nothing. Wait, this nigga not looking and sneak up on his bitch ass. Okay. Okay. Kind of bigger than me. I'm gonna rethink this. I'm just over here picking. Yeah, nigga. That nigga got that bully in the block. Like, hold up, man. With strength and numbers, fam. We finna circle around this bitch. Bitch, nigga, what? We seen you over here eating. We thought we deserved some too.
I'm not about to fucking play with you.
Yeah, nigga, it's a lot more of us than it is of you. I'm just saying. We could rush this nigga, fam. Okay. Just picking up a little crumbs around the bread. We're gonna get a taste and we're gonna beat that ass. Them hoes finna. I said we hungry too, fam. Bro, these hoes finna jump this nigga. I said we hungry too, fam. That motherfucker finna eat till he full. Don't get out of here. You nigga got me fucked up. I'm gonna get reinforcements. Yeah, you didn't get them little pieces right there. I ain't tripping. I can eat the crumbs. It's better living than I ain't know. Bro said I left some crumbs on the floor for y'all. Now I'm gonna eat the big shit. That bird is not playing.
And neither are you.
Cause this is nature. This bird don't even belong on this side of town. Over here, Debo and shit. Is there any bird strong enough to get a piece? Black tip gang, man. And that brings the end of this documentary. Tricolor black tip gang.
Like a pigeon?
Hey! Hey! I think he noticed me. I think this nigga hear me. That hoe. Look at bro.
They thought you were talking to
I'm finna catch this motherfucker, man. He heard worth 20 grand. Put this glove on. I'm finna catch that motherfucker. Oh, shit. I just want to see if one bird stand up to this. Fuck you to keep doing. Oh shit. I'm gonna get closer than everybody else did, and I'm gonna walk off. I'm gonna fly this way. Oh shit. All right, babe. I don't think they got what it takes. Who's that in the distance? John. Oh shit. They better jump this nigga there. Bro, this nigga done got behind this nigga.
But you got a lot going on with Mother
Look at that nigga. Bro, that nigga just picked that
Mother
nigga.
Nature and her animals.
Bro, that nigga just picked that nigga. Bro, they finna jump this nigga,
I'm
man.
just let you be.
That's the nigga that ran off the first time. This nigga came back with reinforcements for real. Oh shit, bro, that's him right there. I remember that run. Bro came back. Yeah, fam, I'm back. What you was saying about that shit?
I need to get my nails done.
Bro, all I hear is you need to spend money.
I just want to get my nails done. Dang, I can't. Get your motherfucking nails on the phone because they don't got the motherfucking do it.
You look like a bird stomper. I just want to see her, bro, do the sneak attack. That's really a Taji. Bro, you was that close. That nigga say, get y'all bitch ass back. All right, babe.